In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use promo codes on Zara. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Zara promo code. Go to this website, which is called Simply Codes, and right here, as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that you can use to get some discount. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with a 20% discount on your purchase. All you need to do is just select this button where it says your code. And this is the promo code right here that you can copy, and you can apply the promo code on your next order to get a 20% discount. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website which is called Return Me Not. And here, as you can see, we have a list with other deals and promo codes that we can use for some discount. So if you want to get this one with a free shipping right here, all you need to do is just select this button where it says Get Deal. And for this one, there is no code required. You can select the button where it says Shop at Zara, and you'll be redirected to the website where the free shipping will be applied automatically. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.